closed an Excel file without saving it? Don't panic yet. Excel may still have a temporary copy, and I will show you exactly where to look. First, open Excel normally. You do not need to open the lost workbook first. Click the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the backstage area where Excel keeps file settings and recovery tools. Now, click Info on the left side. On the Info page, look for Manage Workbook. Click Manage Workbook. Then choose Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Excel now opens a folder with available unsaved workbook files. If you see your file here, click it once to select it. Then click Open. When the workbook opens, check that it has the data you need. Now, save it right away. This part is very important. Choose a folder, give a file a clear name, then click Save. Recovered files are temporary. If you close the recovered file without saving it, Excel may remove the recovery copy. If Excel crashed or your computer restarted, Excel may show a document recovery panel when you reopen it. This panel usually appears on the left side of the Excel windows. If you see your workbook list there, click it, review the file, and save it immediately. Do not close the document recovery panel too quickly. Beginners often dismiss it by mistake and lose the chance to restore the file. To improve your chance next time, make sure AutoRecover is turned on. Click File, then click Option. In the Excel Options window, click Save on the left. Look for Save AutoRecover information. Every blank minutes. In the example, 10 minutes. Make sure the checkbox is turned on, like this. A 10-minute setting is usually fine for beginners. But remember, AutoRecover is only a backup. The safest habit is still to press Ctrl plus S while you work. One quick tip: save your file before you start entering lots of data. AutoRecover can help, but it may not recover everything if the file was closed too quickly or AutoRecover had not created a backup yet. Here is the quick recap. Go to File, then Info, click Manage Workbook, choose Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Open the file and save it right away. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.